In the year 2008, the Estonian Bodybuilding and Fitness Association makes a proposal of the EFBB International Congress to make the doping control more efficient. It appears that 95% of the sub-organizations of different countries are not interested in that. The main trainer of Russian teams speaks out loud, Estonians are bastards. The war is getting beyond all limits. Attention! All the characters and events in the movie are fiction. Probable coincidences are accidental. Joker i Presents. Marek Kalmus. Mr Mesi. Kerbel Mikk. Signessa Kalmus. Kaaro Kalmus. Erich Krieger. Lukas Osladil. Ott Kiivikas. Indrek Otsus. Aju Saagim. Script Joker and Marek Kalmus. And all the others in the movie. Bonzuna, ruthless and uncompromising. Tallinn Airport, Monday. Listen, I will go to the toilet. What about us? Don't know. I will eat up my hat if one of them is not a woman. Wonder which one. Your wife and kids are our hostage, jerk. What the fuck? Hurry up, hurry up. Help, help. Help. Don't be a fool, Olivia. Give us your girl and we will let you go. I have a feeling that Paris Hilton is pregnant. He's not here. He's not here. Not here. You Satan! You're killing people. It's not starting. Faster. Make it faster. Push the car. Push it. Push it now. I'm so embarrassed. How do we live here like this? Fucking bastard, take it. Men are such fools, especially Estonian men. Your wife and kids are my hostage. If you get the signature from Mr. Tokov, the president of the Bodybuilding Association, To confirm that you stop making the topping control more efficient, you will get your family back. Gena, I will ride with you.
Спасибо,
Thank
Чебурашка.
you, Чебурашка. The time is passing. Don't hope it gets it back. We might feel a bit sad about yesterday. Better days are still ahead.
Parem siiski see, mis ootab eel. Teele ja teele nüüd.
Arnold Stocko headquarters Monday.
Varjab silmapiir. Ole paha!
Not so bad at all.
See sinine. Veereb ja igaüht kaugustesse viib.
Tere.
Hello, Mr. Toko.
No tere.
Hello.
Mul on teile üks paber.
I have a
Mis
paper
siin
for
jälle
you.
on?
What is it again?
Vaadake. Te olete
Please, have a look.
ainuke inimene.
You are the
Mis
only
mind
person who can help me. I'm not going to sign this. What do you mean? You must sign it.
Te peate siia
You have my, they have my wife and
Mu naine ja
son.
laps on nende käes.
Don't you get it?
Meie ei
Our ideology costs more than your wife and kid. Don't be a slave of the strength and power. I'm a professional. You spend your freedom with bandits. I'm sorry we met. You spoiled my day,
Rebane.
Fox. Fuck. Once there is dad and mom, then wife and kid. I'm not leaving this place. Fuck. What the hell are you doing? This was a humor. Please don't hurt me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I will pay for everything. Old friends, can't tell. Whom do I see? What happened to you? Oh, don't ask.
No,
And now I don't know what to do.
nüüd ma ei teagi, mida teha.
Pastast didn't give me a signature. And where should I go now?
Kuradi sitad lood jah siis, aga...
Shit happens indeed, but don't give up, man. I'm the greatest inventor and nature explorer you can ever find in the world. You know, I'm a genius. I'm a genius. When I will finish all my machines, all Estonians will be famous thanks to me. But there are a lot of people who envy me. Envy me. That's why I often go mad. Well, I think you should go to a place called Männiku. All kind of jerks like to hang around there. Let's do this way, that I will call some mates and we will visit them in the evening, in case there is anyone. Ouch, motherfuckers. Why do you handcuff me? I haven't done anything. Fuckers, goats. Fuckers, goats.